What's up, everyone? This spiritual bath will make you untouchable. We're talking spiritual over here. So today, I'm going to be teaching you a very powerful spiritual bath that you can do right now or whenever you have time so that you become untouchable to evil plans, to enemies, to evil people. Because as you all know that we live in a wicked world. And you have to do things spiritually to build yourself up. In fact, you have the spiritual power in you to make sure that you get yourself protected. All right? You don't want to be doing things that will make you an easy target for the enemy. You need to build yourself. You need to build an edge, a protective edge around you to become untouchable. So that's what we're going to be doing today. If you will give me some of your time, to watch this video from the start till the end, in fact, it will be very beneficial to your life. All right, because I don't want to take you much of your time. So my name is Precious and this is New Life with Precious. All right, so this spiritual bath that I'm talking about is what I've taught a lot of people. I'm a living testimony because I do this and I can see the differences. I can see that it's very helpful. In fact, for people that have already taught how to do it, in fact, they are very full of praises. They are thanking God that they knew this. So that's why I wanted to know it too, so that you can start to do it right now or whenever you are ready, so that you can become untouchable. All right, so what spiritual bath am I talking about? The spiritual bath we use this that I show you over here. This is bitter leaf. I don't know what it is called in your local language. I don't know what you call it in your culture. In my culture, we call it ewuro. Bitter leaf is a very powerful herb. It's a powerful leaf in that it's very bitter. It has a lot of health benefits, but we're not going to be talking about health benefits today. We're talking about this spiritual use, how you can use it to become untouchable. Because you really need this. It's very, very important that you use it. Then we'll be needing olive oil. This is olive oil. I can't begin to be telling you what olive oil stands for. In fact, it comes from olive tree and it is very powerful. It has a lot of spiritual benefits. And we're going to be using sea salt. Okay, sea salt. If you don't have sea salt, because some people will be telling me that, oh, I don't have that, oh, blah 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 blah. Okay, it's all right. If you don't have it, use whatever salt you have, but sea salt is very preferable in this spiritual work. So those are the three ingredients that we're going to be using. Then how are we going to do this? Because we are going to take a bath, we have to prepare it, then we can take our bath after. After this video, you'll become untouchable. Use this spiritual bath to become untouchable. In fact, this spiritual bath will make you untouchable for the enemies. Okay, so get all these ingredients ready. What I have here, the bitter leaf, my bitter leaf is dry one, but if you have the fresh one, you can use it. It's all good. It doesn't really matter. Okay, even the dry one, whenever I use it, it's very bitter because I taste it. It's so bitter because I just dry it like that. I didn't squeeze it or anything like that. So what you will do is that you will get soap, like black soap, or you can get any type of soap that you have. All right, white soap, black soap, Ghana soap. All right, get some quantity because this bath is going to be done for 3 days. Okay, you can do it at night just before you sleep. All right, and especially when it's very quiet. So get all these ingredients ready: bitter leaf, olive oil, black soap, white soap, all right, and sea salt. Those are the 4 ingredients that we're using. Then you get your mortar because you have to pound it. Put some quantity of soap in the thing. Put some salt in it, like 1 tablespoon or half tablespoon is okay. Put some olive oil, not too much, just a moderate amount, and put some bitter leaf. All right, not too much, moderate. So just gauge the quantity, how much that you will need for the 3 days. Then you pound it very well. Pound it very well. All right. So while you are pounding it, say a big prayer to it, because these things, once you charge it up and you make your prayer, it's no longer ordinary spiritual ingredients. Okay, it has a lot of spiritual powers in it already. So while you're doing this, pray that you're using these soap, these ingredients that you've made as a point of contact to make you untouchable, to form a protective edge around you. Don't confuse it. I know God is the one that can protect, but it has given you the power, to do things in a spiritual way, to make sure that these things become very, very powerful by virtue of the power that is in you. So don't doubt your power. All right. I've always taught you that you have the vibration, you have the frequency in you to make sure that you make things happen, to make sure that you become protected, that you become untouchable. You can do this. You get what I'm saying? Using the power of God. So do this and make the prayer. Be very serious about it. And once that is ready, grab like a container and pour everything in there. I mean all the soap, and keep it. All right, keep it in a very safe place where only you will be the one to touch it. Nobody should use it. If anybody wants to try this spiritual work, they should make their own. All right, don't let anybody use what you're using. You get what I'm saying? You don't want to be using what is for headache for stomachache. Don't ever do that. All right, everybody carries their different energy. The energy that you have is different from somebody's energy. You get what I'm saying? So once you get it ready, then it's ready. You can prepare it today and start using it today for 3 days. So when you're ready to use it, when it's getting to the night, when everywhere is quiet, okay, then start your bath. Get your bath water ready. Then start taking your bath with this. And while you're taking your bath, say your prayers again. Make your intention. Tell God that what you want to happen in your life, that you want this bath to make you untouchable for the enemy, that you want this bath to make you untouchable for evil plans, that you want this to make enemies run away from you, that you want the evil people to disconnect, cry, and live your life for good. Say all these prayers as your spirit leads. It doesn't really matter. You are old, you are young, you are a man, you are a woman. As long as you can understand what this word is, that is a wicked word, that you need to be protected, you can do this. It doesn't really matter. Try this and come back with your testimony. Do this for 3 days and it must surely work for you. And I pray that the universe, that God will bring your miracles right now. In fact, say amen. All right, I love you so much, and I want you to like this video right now. Give it a thumbs up. Like, comment, and share this video with your friends and family. Okay, if you have not subscribed, subscribe now to my channel. Just press the red button and turn on all notifications so that you can always get my videos every time that I upload. For more spiritual videos to help your life, to solve all your problems, to make you manifest, watch these videos over there. They are surely going to help you. All right, I'm going to see you in my next video. I love you so much. Until then, stay safe and be blessed. Bye bye.